Hello everyone. In this video, we will study the concept performance analysis. Performance analysis of algorithm means basically how algorithm is efficient and fast. There are many criteria upon which we can judge an algorithm. The first one is, does it do what we want it to do? That is, performance of algorithm is based on what exactly algorithm is doing and does it working according to our instructions given. That means performance is depend on whether algorithm is working as per the given instruction or not. Second one, does it work correctly according to the original specification of the task? Performance is also depending on whether the algorithm is working according to specification or not. The first point was based on given instruction performance is analyzed, whereas second point here is based on whether algorithm is working according to given problem definition or not. The third one is there documentation that describes how to use it and how it works? Performance is also based on whether the documentation is created or not for algorithm, and also in that documentation whether instructions are written properly or not. So basically in algorithm, which variable or which statement is used for what purpose needs to be mentioned in the separate document. Fourth one, are procedures created in such a way that they perform logical subfunctions? Procedure means basically functions. So when different procedures are created for single problem, those procedures should be created properly. Means every procedure in single problem must perform different tasks and should perform the task logically. So every procedure must work based on the given problem. Fifth one, is the code readable? So performance of algorithm is also based on whether the algorithm written is easily readable or not. So algorithm written must be easy to understand. So these are the 5 criteria upon which we can judge the algorithm. So all the above criteria are based on while we write the algorithm. There are other criteria for judging the algorithm that have a more direct relationship to performance. Those are based on space requirement and time required for algorithm to execute. So these terms, that is space requirement and time requirement, we will discuss in the next video.